Okay, live chart analysis tayo kay gold spot versus US dollar. Nandito tayo sa 4-hour chart ng Pepperstone and we are here in the trading view. So, ito is requested by aking kinakapatid na sinabi niya, pakicheck daw yung XAUUSD. So, here we are. Yan. Para yan kay Nikki, ang analysis na to. Yan. So, congratulations pala sa bago mong baby girl. Yan. Bagong panganak si Mau. Right? So, the analysis will start from number 0 to number 8 and 9. So, himay-himay natin kung ano yung nangyari dito sa vectors, sa major vectors, and as well dito sa interesting part ng minor flow ng 5, vector 5 and 6. Right? So, from number 0, we have a strong sellers kasi na-break yung previous low, creating a lower low. But then, nagkaroon tayo dito ng consolidation and price, when it returns to the supply zone, dito sa number 0, kita nyo naman meron tayo dito, weak expansion, and this is also a pressure bar. Meron tayong dalawang pressure bar dito. And yung second touch ng pressure bar dito sa ating supply zone is an indecisive candle with both buying and selling pressure. And then, ang tumapos ng usapan is yung inside bar. Then we have a gap down. Then, dito nagpakita yung sellers and it tries to bring the market down up to low number 3. And low number 3 is also on the area where you have this series of wicks, candle wicks or frequency. Although hindi siya nag-touch doon mismo, and this could mean also a Hagopian rule, saying that failure to touch an important line will create an opposite and violent reaction to the opposite side, which what we can see in high number 4. Surpassing high number 2 and high number 0, taking the liquidity na nandito. Okay? So this could be a boundary storm effect. Tandaan natin yan. So for now, let's mark this one as a boundary storm effect. So this is undeniable fact sa chart na agaw attention. And this could mean easily the um, wild and wide candles dito sa chart na ina-analyze natin. Alright? And what's amazing is noon sa number 4, meron tayo ditong inside bar and a fractal bar that stops this wild, volatile, bullish candle. And we can interpret this one nung na-trigger yung stop losses and cluster of limit orders dito nung na-taken yung liquidity. Nagkaroon ng sudden burst of demand. And meron tayong strong sellers at number 4 na nag-stop nung movement ng buyers to the upside, creating low number 5. But low number 5 did not close below low number 3. May kita niyo yan dito. And dito, papasok yung price action na diniscuss doon sa fractal flow strategy where you have the relative volatility, the bar interpretation, and yung bar quality. Alright? So, meron tayo ditong series of inside bar, outside bar, and pressure bar still not violating the wash line. So, itong sellers na to is giving the impression na mag-break yung low number 3 and low number 1. But then, may kita nyo, meron tayong buyers na nagpakita dito, creating this pressure zone. May kita nyo yan dito sa wicks, candle wicks ng series of candles na nandito. And nag-stop the same sa high number 4, inside bar, dito sa wild bearish candle na to. And then we have a series of pressure bar. And then we have an outside bar breaking the dynamic frequency for the first time. Nakikita nyo yan. Dito pa lang na-break yung dynamic frequency nung vector 4. Okay? So this is a dynamic frequency breakout. Excuse me, may ubo pa rin ako. Pero kailangan ko nang pumasok. Yan. And then, si dynamic frequency breakout, nag-break siya, indicating this is the start of a new flow shift ng market, which is nandito sa wash line, which is nandito sa pressure zone. So, the fact na meron tayong huling pressure bar na nagpakita is a signal to go long. And kung makikita nyo dito, kung i-capture nyo yung slope frequency, yan, this is the last chance you can get, you can enter the market. So, capture na capture yung dynamic frequency or kahit dito natin ilagay. Yan, captures na yung frequency. So, this is the last chance to enter long on this market. And makikita nyo naman, since meron tayo ditong strong sellers, yung inside bar and fractal bar natin, makikita nyo naman doon nag-stop yung price. And if you can see, we have a second degree fractal reversal divergence. Kung titignan natin yung momentum analysis natin. Excuse me po. Yan. So we have a fractal bar and we have a simple divergence that makes a second degree fractal momentum. Right? In terms of Newtonian trading strategy, if you will anchor the pitchfork, standard pitchfork on alternating highs and lows from number 1 to number 4, makikita nyo dito yung intersection ng weak expansion and pressure zone correlating sa wash line doon sa ating median line. And the third touch doon, bumulusok na yung price to the upside and giving away yung second and last entry doon sa slope frequency. And if you will modify the A-axis and B-axis, lagay natin dito sa pressure zone, sa 5. And yung A-axis natin, ilipat natin sa number 1. Makikita nyo dito yung fractal bar on major supply dito sa number 4 na nag-stop ng advance ng price to the upside from low number 3. Doon nag-reverse yung price. And then, saan nag-reverse ulit yung price? We have a demand zone. You can catch the inward and outward frequency. Ayun, meron tayo ditong demand zone. This is a demand zone. Balitan natin ang kulay. So this is a demand zone. Yan. Which is yung nag-break ng high 5.1. So meron tayo ditong buyers na nagpakita, which is yung nag-touch dito sa lower parallel ng pitchfork natin. Okay? And then it breaks, excuse me po, high 5.1, yung minor flow dito sa vector 5 and 6. So, na-break niya. So, nung price returns that one, it created another inside bar na nag-stop ng advance ng sellers to the downside. Okay? And nasa ng price ngayon? Nandito tayo ngayon sa alleged manipulation, which is yung wash line from number 4, washing out the liquidity dito sa high number 4 and 6. And this is an easy boundary storm effect. Kung nakikita nyo yan, real time, taking out the liquidity sa minor flow and sa major flow. And now price is here. And bago tayo mag-i-discuss natin yung price na nandito ngayon, so this is a really important part, na yung price landed exactly on the gap up, meaning to say we have a buying power. Okay? This is a buyer's strength or indication ng buyer's strength. Kasi nag-open yung next candle with a gap with a lot of demand. So this is a subjective demand zone. And makita nyo naman, the second touch, it created a pressure zone. And right now, price is challenging high number 4 and number 6. But then, we can safely assume if this is a manipulation, we can see a price reversal at this point. And makita nyo yung lower parallel ng pitchfork natin. Now, it is being tested as a resistance. Okay? So, ilang candle weeks na yung nagtatest na yun, and we have an energy point here correlating sa wash line and lower parallel. So, the market now is open. So, let's see if we can try to get a position. I would like to see more selling pressure dito. So, I can wait for another touch or dito sa lower parallel, or an inside bar would give me a good suggestion na meron tayong sellers dito. Right? And this is our analysis for gold, and let's see how the price will develop. And I hope, Nikki, na sagot ko yung inquiry mo regarding sa gold. So this is it for this video, and hopefully nakita nyo yung integration ng fractal flow strategy, market maker strategy, and Newtonian trading strategy. All right. So see you guys on next video. Thank you for watching.